Hi dancers, we are going to go ahead and do a quick bar and do some center basics today for this week's lesson. Demi-plie stretch. Press and down. Demi-plie and stretch. Tendu, 2 seconds. Demi-plie and stretch. Press, lift, and down. Demi-plie and stretch. Tendu, third position. Demi-plie and stretch. Press, lift, and down. And demi-plie and stretch. Tendu, other third. Demi-plie and stretch. Press, lift, and down. Demi-plie and stretch. Back to first, arms down. We take one arm up, over the head. Use the oblique and turn the head side. Back up to the top. Switch the arms. Turn the head and bend. Back up to the center. Bring those arms up through the middle. Press up and bring the arms to first. Touch the bar if you need it. Test yourself. The only way to get better at balancing is to let go. Arms come up and open to the side. Slowly lower the heels. Plie and stretch with the music. Take those arms up. Place them on the bar lightly. Front and close. Plie and stretch. Press up and down. Plie and stretch. See how you're doing without the bar too. It's a great way to test if you're using the bar too much. And to the back. Back and close. Plie and stretch. Releve up and down. Plie. We do 3 here. 1 and close. See how I'm rolling through my foot. 3. Plie, arms down. Bring them back up. 1. Plie. Balance. Nice and soft when you go into your plie. Soft and soft. You're not falling and dropping. Back. Soft. And press. Work those arches. Now roll through the toes. And 2, 3, and end. One and a close. 2 and a close. 3, 1 plie. Side and close back. Side and close front. Just enough to stretch your toes off the floor, not too high. Back, 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 plie. Side, close front, side, close back, side, close front, plie. Releve goes up. Let's test yourself. Arms in whatever position you want. You can have 5th, 3rd, 4th, 2nd, 1st. Come through 2nd. Tendu, switch. 1, 2, 3, 1 plie. Out to the back, out to the front, out to the back. 1 plie. Going back. 1, 2, hang in there. 3, 1 plie. Last time, side. 2, 3, 1 plie. Let's rise up. Hold yourself here. Let's try a new position with the arms. And switch. And open to 2nd. And down to end. Slide it up. Place it in back. Slide it down. Toe ball heel, 3rd position. Let's take a plie. Just a deep breath. And up. Slide it down the back. Toe ball heel. 3rd position. Plie. Arms can come back down if you need to. Up again. We're doing 2 more of these. Keep your eyes lifted so you stay lifted in your back and your balance. And one more time. Then we're going to travel it forward. Let's pick up the left leg. It's in the back. And right leg comes up. We have 2 more. Back leg is up. Eyes stay lifted. The last one here. And stand tall. Tendu, plie. Tendu, plie. Tendu, plie. Tendu. And turn. First arabesque. Close. Second arabesque. Close. Third arabesque. Turn back to the front. Close. And plie, relax. We're going to take the arms up. Open. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Other side. Front. Plie. Side. Plie. Back. Plie. Side. Turn. First arabesque. Close. 1. You can leave the leg out if you want and open to third. Turn yourself and close and end your combination. One, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. A little faster for those of you who'd like to try. 1, 2, 3. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and end. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Stretch the toes in the air. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in. 1, 2, 3, down. Step, point your toe. 1, 2, 3, down. Step, point your toe. 1, 2, 3, down. Step, point your toe. 1, 2, 3, down. Step, and end. And finally, we will do a stretch reverence. Step back on your right foot, bow. Up, and let's take it down to the floor. Lunge and lean forward. And make sure that that knee isn't over the toe. Back is up straight. Lean back, stretch forward. And come down in a half split. Flex the toes back. This leg's bent behind you. And stretch forward. Let's go to the other side. Bring it out in the lunge. Back up straight. Lean back. And come down into a half split and stretch. And come up. You're going to take the legs and you're going to bend the bottom leg underneath and then place the top leg with the heel on top of your knee. Keep your back up straight and just allow your hips to open up with gravity. If it's not much, that's okay. And if you need a little more, just go ahead and press that knee down. Try to keep both hips on the floor. And go ahead and switch. Lie on your back for a quick hamstring stretch. Leg up with this knee bent. Pull those toes back and hold above the knee joint or below the knee joint. Leg down and bring the opposite leg into your chest and straighten it up. And finally, bring those legs together. Keep the back on the floor and open the hips, lifting the heels up, and just let those knees drop out to the side. Thank you so much for joining me for class today, and I know you're doing an excellent job.